Hi, this is Jamie for GearBest. So since that last Xiaomi in-store video, I actually bought a Mi Band 4. I have it here with me. It's been several days. I'm not gonna go through specs or the selling points for this new Mi Band 4. If you're interested, check the links below. Today, the reason why I'm here is I do have some observations for the past several days when I was with this Mi Band 4. Understandably, it's Xiaomi. The price is extremely great. And oops, I just got a notification. I found something that disturbs me and it actually made me angry at some point. So this is what the video is about. Before I get to my concern, before I get to my observations, I'm still gonna go through quickly what I like about this Mi Band 4. So as you can see, my phone right here, music on pause. I can adjust the volume. This is something I really like. Granted, might be a little small advanced or small function, but it does matter to me. I do like that. And now I'm gonna show the notification part, which is gonna be leading to my observation and my concern. I'm gonna have my cameraman call me right now and show the notification. By the way, he upgraded his iPhone to a iOS 13. Do not do that because there are apparently a bunch of bugs. It's showing. Okay, I'm just gonna hang up. And now I'm gonna ask him to message me and show the notification. Yes, please. It's showing. It seems like for now it works perfectly well, but at some point, both of us, me and my cameraman, while testing this Mi Band 4, it does not show notification. You can fix it through rebooting it or repairing it, but it's Xiaomi. I expect more from you. You have to be better. It's unacceptable that at some point when my Bluetooth works perfectly well, my internet, which is supposedly be entirely irrelevant, works perfectly well. My phone shows notification. My phone shows that there are people calling me while Mi Band 4 just does not show any notification at all. And very ironically, when I pull out the notification, it says that I missed the call. Okay, I missed the call because of you. I understand that while I was doing research, while I was watching other review videos, comments are great. All the great praising comments, great testing pouring in when it comes to this extremely popular and everybody is waiting for Mi Band 4. But this is the flaw. I don't know whether it's just this one that I got or it's connection problem it has on its Bluetooth or its app. But it happened. And it kept me wonder exactly if I were to keep this one, if I were to keep it as my regular watch or my regular Fitband, exactly how many times do I need to reset it, repair it every single day to make sure that I don't miss my call or I don't miss my message whenever I'm not checking the phone. Overall, it worked well, yes, but this is my observation. So it's up to you. I'm gonna leave it up to all of you to decide if it's worth it to get a Mi Band 4. So thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.